Joshua Woodall. I'm the fire chief of C&B Fire Department in Latson, South Carolina, and we're doing our final inspection of our third pumper we bought from E-ONE. So we cover an area about 30 square miles with about 40,000 people, growing area with industry and large apartment complexes and such. The biggest changes that we did from our current apparatus, what E-ONE was able to help us out with, was the larger cabs for our firemen. That was a big deal to us, having much area for our equipment and them just being comfortable with inside the truck. And then another new feature we did on these trucks is the medical compartment that you see here. It's above here, and it also has access for the engineer to put his gear for a safe place to store it. Another feature that we added to this truck, because we cover an area that has some city and a lot of rural area, we implemented 1,000 gallons of water with a 2,000 gallon per minute pump for those areas that do not have hydrants. And with doing that, still was able to meet the needs of the full height, full depth compartments with carrying large water. Another new feature that we did on our current apparatus on these 3 new trucks is the feature of the low hose bed. It features all of our complement of hose, from large diameter hose to 400-foot lines. We're able to fit everything in there, as well as having it more ergonomical for our firemen at a low level on the truck. Another great feature on this truck was the introducing of the full height and full depth compartments. We use a lot of our trucks for rescue capabilities as well as firefighting capabilities. And with full height, full depth, we're able to carry the complement of tools that's needed for those jobs. And this has been a real big plus from our current apparatus. Another thing that we were able to do on this truck was E-ONE was able to flat mount a little plate here where we can flat mount all of our tools for our firefighting department for easy and quick access of taking them off the truck. We were in the market for used trucks because we didn't think that we could afford new trucks. We've got what our local dealer, Safe Industries, which has been a pleasure to deal with. They actually set us up with the right folks to do financing, and we were able to purchase 3 new trucks. This is number 3 of that line for a complete fleet replacement. With doing that, it's such a ease dealing with E-ONE, working with them from start to finish. We came to Ocala, Florida for the first initial build out, and then we're here now for the final. It's been a dream come true for our partner. We followed the process through the photos that they do online, the in-process photos. We post those onto our social media site. So it's been a pleasure from start to finish of watching it being built to all the way to now to seeing the final end product on truck number 3.